Now, most new taps come with flexible tails that end in a half BSP connection. My problem was that the isolation valve was for push-fit pipes, like those copper ones that were on my previous taps, so I needed some kind of adapter. I did do quite a lot of searching. Need to find a stem adapter that has a flat top on the threads. Otherwise, if it's quite sharp on the threads there, it's going to dig into any washer that's on the flexible tail end. I did find this one, which looked about right, and did have a flat top to it, and I pushed it in securely into that Speedfit isolation valve, and that went in without an issue. But when I attached the half BSP connection to it and screwed that on, it leaked. Out of desperation, I tried some PTFE tape, and that made no difference. It was still leaking. And what I eventually realised was that if you look at the washer on the BSP connection here, the metal on the pipe is touching the plastic on the stem adapter. What I did to solve this is add an extra rubber washer into that BSP connection over the other one, and that fixed the problem.